Okay, here we go in the word workbook. You should be on page 24. At the top, it says, read the list of things to do on a rainy day. Put a number in each box. Then put a line under the things you like to do. So remember in the story, in case of rain, the Super Kids wrote about projects and games to do on a rainy day. So they tried some different things. They were making things. They were coming up with games that had rules to follow, all kinds of stuff like that. So these are all fun activities that the kids would enjoy doing on a rainy day. Also, I might encourage you, if you've been bored and you're stuck inside and you can't get outside, you could try any of the Super Kids activities from the rainy day inside your house. I would love to see a picture or a video if you tried to do something, okay? So now we're going to do the work on this page. We're going to match sentences with pictures and mark the things that you like to do. Now, I want to read question number 1, or sentence number 1, I suppose. Let me bring up the highlighter. All right. So here we go. Sentence number 1. It says, there we go. It says, cry big tears. Cry big tears. Now, we can know that which picture does it go with. Of course, it goes with poor Tack here. She is crying big tears. So they wrote the number 1 in the box because it belongs with number 1. Now, is that something that you would like to do on a rainy day? No, I would hope not. So the directions say to underline the sentence if it tells about something that you would like to do. So nobody should be underlining this one. Let's go ahead and do number 2 together. Here we go. I'm on number 2. It says, sing a catchy tune. Catchy, something that gets stuck in your head. So who's doing some singing here? Yes. Here we have number 2, Lily, Doc, and Sal. They are singing a catchy tune. So we're writing the number 2 in it. You're going to complete the page by yourself. I want you to read each of the remaining sentences and write its number next to the matching picture. I want you to underline the sentence if it's something that you would like to do on a rainy day. If it's something that the Super Kids would like to do on a rainy day. So, I think they would sing a catchy tune. That sounds like something they'd like to do on a rainy day. So I want you to complete the rest of this page on your own. And we're going to move on to page 25. All right, here we go, page 25. So this is going to talk about our memory words for this week. I want you to read the list of memory words with me at the top. It is going from left to right. It is down, to, work, many, first. First. So those are the words here. Now, we're going to read the incomplete sentence, and we're going to say the word blank for the missing word. Let's look at number 1. I gotta make it soft again. Here we go. The Super Kids like to blank on projects when it rains. So I'm going to try each of these words in its spot. The Super Kids like to down on projects. The Super Kids like to on projects. The Super Kids like to work on projects. That one sounds like it could work. Let's keep trying. The Super Kids like to many on projects. Or the Super Kids like to first on projects when it rains. So the only one that made sense was work, and so I'm going to write W-O-R-K right here on the lines. When I'm finished, I can mark out that word so I know that I've already used it, so I don't have to get confused for the rest of it. I want you to complete the rest of the page by reading each sentence, finding the memory word that makes the most sense in the sentence, and then writing the words on the handwriting line. Please remember, this word on number 2 needs to begin with a capital letter because it's the beginning of the sentence. Don't forget.